Morning students, today we are going to study here in this ninth one chapter in series in your math magic book series book. In this math magic book, in this ninth one chapter, next one point is complete the multiplication tree. Page number you see 133. Complete this multiplication tree. Here numbers given and you complete this multiplication. You see here 12. Then you write here this multiplication of these numbers and which answers here 12. Then you write here 4 3 ja 12, 6 2 ja 12, 2 into 6, 2 6 ja 12 and 12 1 ja 12. Then second one number you see here 18. Then you write here this multiplication of these numbers and which answer here 18. Then you write here 6 3 ja 18, 2 9 ja 18, 18 1 ja 18, 9 2 ja 18. Then here see 10 number is given. See this here answer also given, this multiplication of this tree. 2 5 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10 and 10 1 ja 10. Then next one see here 35, 7 5 ja 35, again 5 7 ja 35 and 35 1 ja 35. Then 24, you write here this 24, this numbers multiplication of this numbers. 6 4 ja 24, 24 1 ja 24, 8 3 ja 24, then 3 8 ja 24 and 4 6 ja 24. Then next one number you see here 36. Then you write here this multiplication of numbers of this answer here 36. 18 2 ja 36, then 36 1 ja 36, 18 2 ja 36, 36 1 ja 36, 9 2 ja 9 4 ja 36, 6 6 ja 36 and 4 9 ja 36. Then next one number you see here 45. 9 5 ja 45, 45 1 ja 45, 5 9 ja 45 and here again 1 45. You write here 15 3 ja 45. Then see last number here given 80 number and here also number multiplication of these numbers also given here. 8 into 10 80, 4 into 20 80, 2 into 40 80, 1 into 80 80, 16 5 ja 80. See these numbers. You write here multiplication tree of these numbers. Multiplication tree. Multiplication tree. You see first one 10. 10 this multiplication right here. 2 into 5, 5 into 2 and here write 10 1 ja 10. In this type you write here. Then second one you see here 12, then 4 3 ja 12, again 2 6 ja 12, 6 2 ja 12 and 12 1 ja 12. See these numbers here. Multiplication of these numbers. 4 3 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12, 6 2 ja 12 and 12 1 ja 12. Then the third one 18. Then 9 2 ja 18, 16 3 ja 18, 2 9 ja 18 and last one 18 1 ja 18. Then fourth one 35. See this number. 35. Then write the multiplication numbers of this tree. 35. 5 7 ja 35, 7 5 ja 35 and 35 1 ja 35. See this. Then next one 24. See this numbers 24, this multiplication of this numbers. 6 4 are 24, 4 6 are 24, 12 2 are 24, 3 8 are 24, and last one 24 1 are 24. Then 6 number 36. 36, then you write here 6 6 36, 9 4 36, then 4 9 36, and last one 18 4 36. Otherwise you write here this multiplication of this number 36 1 36 also. Okay. Then next one you see here, next one number 36 after 45. Then you write here these 4 multiplication numbers of this 45. 9 5 are 45, 5 9 are 45, 15 3 are 45, and last one 45 1 are 45. Then again one number remain here, 8 1 80. Then write here this multiplication numbers. See here 10 into 8 80. Okay. Again 8 into 10 also 80. Then 2 into 40 also 80, and 20 into 4 also 80. So in homework you complete this multiplication tree. Here numbers given and you write these numbers below, multiplication of these numbers, and complete this. Then next one point is here some multiplication facts. Then tomorrow we will study. Okay.